In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert an hyperlink into your Word document. So inserting a hyperlink into your Word document is really useful for keeping your Word document looking professional, because you don't want to go ahead and copy and paste a link straight into your Word document because this will look very unprofessional. So to do this, first of all, what you'll need to do is go ahead and get your link. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy and paste my link from my YouTube channel. So now if I go back over to my Word document, as you can see, I have just wrote a little bit of text here. And if I want to link over to my YouTube channel, what I'm going to do is click and I'm going to highlight YouTube. Once I've highlighted that, what I'm going to do is right click on my mouse. Once I right click, as you can see near the bottom, there is an option now for link. Once you click on link, you'll get this little pop-up box here, and all you need to do is simply paste the link into the address box here. So I'm going to go ahead and paste that in. Once I've pasted that in, that is my link to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to now click on OK. Once you click on OK, as you can see, it is now lit up blue, and this is what people will be able to click on. And as you can see, once you hover over it, you need to click on Control, and then you will be able to click on the link, and then that will redirect you over to the link. So as you can see, if I click on Agree, this will redirect me over to my YouTube channel. So that's how you insert an hyperlink into your Word document. If this video helped you out, please leave a comment down below, drop a like on the video, and I will see you in the next one.